Outgoing calls are not working on Realme devices. Let's see how to fix outgoing call problems. First method, turn airplane mode off and on your device. If your device still doesn't work, restart your device. Second method, try updating to the latest software for your device. Third method, if outgoing calls on your device are still not working, you need to perform a factory reset. Doing this process will cause all your data, such as photos and videos, to be lost. You need to back up your data before doing this process. Depending on your data, factory reset will take 5 to 10 minutes. Incoming calls and outgoing calls are working after factory reset.